Britain is the hardest hit country in Europe with more than 52,000 coronavirus fatalities. The British government is trying to stop the spread of infections with a citywide testing program in Liverpool. That city alone had more than 1,300 new cases last week. Operation Moonshot, they're calling it, uses technology from a California company along with help from the military. Charlie D'Agata is in Liverpool for us, where he took part in the experiment. Charlie, good morning.
Good morning to you, Tony. You know, in China, they managed to test 9 million people over the course of 5 days. Here in Liverpool, it's more of a voluntary measure, but already about a quarter of the population has taken part. They answered a call to arms, soldiers and civilians alike, like teaching assistant Jackie Vaughn.
We just don't want to be walking around being non-symptomatic and spreading anything at all.
Liverpool already had one of the highest infection rates in the nation when the entire country plunged into a second lockdown. Mayor Joe Anderson said the virus was out of control.
Whilst we've got no vaccine being distributed, circulated yet, it's a tool. It's a tool in the armory, and it means that we can break the chain of infection.
About 2,000 members of the military have been deployed to test centers, including Liverpool's famed Anfield Soccer Stadium. The first part of the test is familiar, that rather unpleasant swab test down the throat and up the nose. The difference is these results aren't sent off to a lab, they're processed on the spot. The majority of samples undergo lateral flow testing to detect COVID-19 antigens in the swab. In just 20 minutes, mine came back negative. The government now plans to roll out this pilot program to 67 more areas nationwide before Christmas. Missing this year will be the mayor's older brother.
You know, when you look at my brother's death certificate and it says COVID-19 on it, that's the reality. This virus exists, it's there. It takes no prisoners, it's got no heart, and it will come for you. If you deny it, it will come for you. And we've seen that.
The Liverpool City Council said nearly 2,000 people have tested positive since the program began. A lot of those people had no idea they were carrying COVID. They are now self-isolating for the next couple of weeks. Anthony?
Charlie D'Agata in Liverpool. As he said, if you deny it, it will come for you. Thanks, Charlie.